Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Fun Kids Toys. And in this video, we will be opening some Christmas pins, which are in this adorable Christmas stockings. So let's check out all the fun and different Christmas pins. We'll start with the first one, who looks like a Christmas wreath. It's got green and red and kind of like transparent little crystals. So adorable. And in the next one, got a little reindeer. This reindeer is so adorable. Alright, check it out. I'll probably put it on this background. Oh, how adorable. I like that the reindeers got crystals in the antlers too. Next one. Whoa, it's a snowflake. Let's get it out. Wow, this is so nice. And look in the middle, it's got all kinds of colored crystals. There's blue and pink and red and yellow and even a little bit of a purplish color. Cute. And this is the back. That's how you close it. Okay, so next one. I also have a different surprise, just keep watching. So next pin looks like a tree. Check it out. It's got green crystals and this red ones either look like apples or like Christmas baubles. They're so shiny, really nice. I like the shape. Kind of like it's got leaves. Next one. We got Christmas candy cane pin. So here we go, take it off. And here we have two candy canes. Each has a bow. One bow is red, one bow is green. Very cute combination. And that's the back. This is just so Christmassy with candy canes and bows. And then we've got, ta-da! A cubic Rubik with frozen characters. There's Elsa and Anna, Olaf, Anna, Elsa. This is so adorable. It's just super tiny. So cool. Let's see if it actually works. Yay! It really works. I'll just make this two moves and I'll try to go back because I can't fix it. I hope you guys can make this, as a whole picture. But I just cannot build it once it's mixed. So let's try to go back because I want to see the pretty pictures. Oh wait. Alright, so like this and alright. Now it's back. It's just so adorable. Alright, and I've got one more surprise for you in this tiny little bag. And what's in there? We have Poppy! She's the cutest little troll ever! I love her hair! which is just adorable. Just the same as this Christmas pins. They all are so pretty, so shiny, just perfect for holidays. They make really cute Christmas stockings. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next videos.